Today we're making stuffed peppers, and those beauties are fresh from our garden. So we have 3 zucchini here, but today we're gonna make some zoodle, the zucchini noodle. Ratatouille. So we're gonna travel to France. That's where they specialize in the ratatouille. But this is something here in Quebec because being from France, of course. Today we are making the Italian tomato sauce. Here we are, big pot of tomato ready to cook. We are making some dry tomato. It's tomato season. Our tomatoes are ready to go into the oven. Bon appetit! Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. This zucchini, you can use it with anything. You can use it with a pink salt. And it's important to salt at one because we're preparing the tzatziki that's gonna go with the lamb. It's so delicious. So I hope you enjoy. And today we're gonna make an Indian tofu. Et voila, we have the Indian tofu casserole. Bon appétit!
Bon appétit!
Bon appétit! Beautiful old part of Montreal. It's beautiful summer day, it's July, and we start a beautiful Japanese restaurant here near our house. Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France and I'm Voilà, it's the cod Anandie part of Quebec City. This is called Petit Champlain, and what we're gonna put is, I've decided this is the spaghetti squash. Now, it's delicious and it's healthy. Bon appetit. The aubergine parmigiana. There are the eggplants, parmesan. Oh, it's perfect. Look at this. Bon appetit! And we're gonna make Alice's specialty. We're gonna make a nice salmon tartare. We're gonna make tuna, and we're also gonna make a beef tartare.
And there you have your final plate of salmon tartare.
Salmon, tuna, and beef tartare. Thank you. Bon appetit! Today we're gonna make the Greek Musaka. So I'm excited about that because this is one of my favorite dishes and I love making it. It's not that complicated, you will see. I don't do anything complicated. And voila, we have our Musaka. The taste is beautiful. So here we are. The Greek Musaka. Bon appetit! But both her parents are Italian, so we know how to cook. And we're gonna eat some tomato pie. I am making today with my mom in her kitchen. We're making our fruit ketchup or our chutney. So we finished all our shopping and ready to put it all in the pot. So this is our herb garden. This is the basil. It smells so nice. And we have the Greek oregano. It's growing so big. There's plenty there to dry some and keep them for the whole winter. We'll show you how to do that. But you see, you can hang them up and leave them like this for about 2 weeks, and that's all, they'll be ready. What we're gonna make for our dessert, it will be super healthy. We're making a fiber chocolate mousse, but it's a very special one. So what we're gonna use is, we're gonna use this fiber drink here. I'll put it in those beautiful little serving bowl here, only a little bit of each, just about like this. I am with Anton today, so we are making something, and we've decided to have a Greek Christmas. And we are making baklava.
Yum.
Well, I think that's gonna be enough, just like that.
Baklava, there you have it, my friend.
Baklava, yasu.
Yasu!
We're making a fiber chocolate. Is it green or is it green? 1 quantity. I have a whole cauliflower here because I'm making a big tray. It is so nice. Who wants potato? This is just as nice, and it's healthy, and it's low carb. It's the cauliflower baked. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.